Welcome to PocketWise, the place where finance meets AI. Today, we're unlocking the 10 best AI tools to make money online in 2025. From side hustles to passive income, these tools can change the way you work, earn, and invest. Stay tuned till the end, because I'll reveal a bonus AI hack that could add thousands of dollars to your income every month. AI shaping the $1.8 trillion digital economy. Freelancing, entrepreneurship, and finance are being automated. Example: creators using AI for YouTube, blogs, and e-commerce. If you're not using AI in 2025, you're leaving money on the table. Create blogs, ad copy, ebooks, social media posts, freelancing jobs on Fiverr, Upwork, passive income, automated niche blogs with ads, plus affiliate links, high-quality sales copy for businesses. How agencies use Jasper to scale. Opportunity: start a micro-copywriting agency with AI. Make designs, logos, YouTube thumbnails. Sell templates on Etsy. Gumroad case study. Creators earning $5K plus month. Create AI-generated art. Sell on stock image sites, NFT marketplaces. Bonus: merch print-on-demand stores. Create faceless YouTube automation channels. How people earn with AdSense plus affiliate marketing. Example: finance explainer channels. AI-powered budgeting and investing tools. Save smarter. Automate investments. Example: dollar cost averaging with AI trading bots. AI product research and store automation. Dropshipping with AI-driven ads. Case study: small stores scaling into 6 figures. Auto-generate captions, ads, and posts. Sell social media management services. Passive income idea: automated content packages. How non-coders can build apps and websites. Freelancing and SaaS opportunities. Example: launching micro SaaS businesses with AI. Crypto plus stock trading with AI prediction risks and rewards explained. Example: AI bots spotting trends faster than humans. AI course creation tools. Thinkific plus AI. Turn knowledge into passive income. Online education market booming. Which AI tool excites you the most? Comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with friends. Recap: 10 AI tools that can help you earn smarter. Thanks for watching PocketWise, your guide to finance plus AI money making. See you in the next video. Until then, keep learning and keep earning.